In today's competitive housing market, homeowners are discovering a powerful secret weapon: solar panels. Picture this. You're getting ready to sell your home in New Jersey, where solar-equipped houses are selling for up to 16% more than their traditional counterparts. That's an extra $48,000 on a $300,000 home. But it's not just New Jersey. From sun-soaked Arizona to coastal Massachusetts, solar panels are transforming property values across America. In California, where energy costs rank among the nation's highest, solar homes are spending 40% less time on the market. Young professionals and growing families are specifically searching for these energy-efficient properties, willing to pay premium prices for homes that promise lower utility bills. The numbers tell a compelling story. Homeowners in Connecticut are saving an average of $1,500 annually on energy costs, while their Maryland neighbors are watching their property values climb by 14%. In Hawaii, where sunshine is abundant and energy costs soar, solar homes are becoming the new gold standard, commanding top dollar in an already competitive market. Don't wait for your next energy bill to start thinking about solar. Visit don'trentpower.com today and discover how solar panels can transform your home's value while slashing your monthly expenses. Because in today's housing market, going solar isn't just an upgrade, it's an investment in your future.